Hi everyone, welcome to the Student Society of Health System Pharmacists at South College, SSHP YouTube page and our PAI Week series. My name is Adam Kreger and I am a P2 student pharmacist at South College and the Director of Policy for our SSHP chapter. This video is the first in a series of 5 videos that will be highlighting the Pharmacy Advancement Initiative, also known as PAI 2030 by the American Society of Health System Pharmacists, or ASHP. Now, we had planned to do a lot of this live and on campus, but as you all know, the current COVID-19 pandemic has caused all of us to shift our plans in a lot of different ways. So I hope that all of you watching today are safe, and on behalf of SSHP, I want to send a big thank you and shout out to all of our essential workers and first responders during this time. Your service is very much appreciated. So over the course of the week, there will be a different video every day highlighting one of the 5 different domains that PAI encompasses. Our goal is that by the end of the week, you will have more insight into what PAI is, which will then in turn inform your studies and your practice eventually. So make sure to tune in every day because at the end of every video, there's going to be a trivia question for our prize, and you won't want to miss out on that. Also, over the course of the week, we're going to be holding a PAI-themed selfie scavenger hunt, which has been released on the South College SSHP social media platforms. The first person to figure out the clues and submit their selfies will win our grand prize, which is a bundle of residency prep books. So this is a great prize and you won't want to miss out on that. So please check the SSHP pages on Facebook and Instagram for more information about that. So I'd like to start talking about what PAI is and why it's so important to us as student pharmacists. PAI was developed as a way to bring health system pharmacy forward by promoting more integration of pharmacists as part of healthcare teams. Now you may be thinking, yeah, that's great and all, but I don't plan to become a hospital pharmacist, so why should I care about PAI? And it's true, the main focus of the initiative was driven by advancing acute and ambulatory care, but I think that the themes of PAI encompasses are applicable across all areas of pharmacy practice, from hospital and community to retail and even industry. Themes like patient-centered care, leveraging the power of pharmacy technicians, and integration of technology span and reach much farther than just hospital pharmacy. Our hope is that at the end of this series, you will take away an appreciation for PAI and think about ways that you can incorporate these domains in whichever practice setting you ultimately end up in. So the first PAI domain that I'd like to talk about this week is patient-centered care. Of course, as student pharmacists, we know that the patient is and should be at the very center of what we do. When approaching challenging or complex situations within our practice, it's imperative that we ask ourselves, is this solution what is ultimately going to be best for my patients? To that end, PAI 2030 has made several recommendations for both practice and organizational structure change to help pharmacists navigate their role in patient care. These recommendations include collaboration with patients and caregivers to have a direct say in their care, focusing on the structural and functional aspects of the institutional pharmacy model, and defining the role of the pharmacist as an advocate for comprehensive medication management across all healthcare settings, including community, retail, and ambulatory care sites. The full list of PAI 2030 recommendations will be posted as a link in the description to this video, and I encourage you all to check it out and think about ways that you can be implementing these changes in your practice. Even as a pharmacy student, you can be thinking now about how you want your future practice to be built and shaped, and I believe that PAI is a great resource to provide a framework for that. So, on to our first trivia question. The prize for today's trivia will be a $10 Starbucks gift card, and it'll be awarded to the first person to email me with the correct answer, and I will post my email address in the description of this video. So your trivia question is 3 parts. What was the name of the first hospital founded in colonial America? Where was it founded? And who was the first hospital pharmacist? Make sure to email me your answer as soon as you can so you don't miss out on the prize. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to showcasing PAI with you this week. Stay safe.